What's going on, guys? It's your boy Devin, the Deteki, back with a brand new video. Hope you guys' day is doing well, as is mine. And today I have another brand new video. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can get $5 banners and profile pictures for your guys' YouTube. So $5 banners and profile pictures. So I'm the one who's been creating the banners. I sell them for $5. So if you guys want to help me out in my business, this is kind of my first time ever doing it. So I'm gonna be selling these banners and profile pictures from Fiverr, and you guys go ahead and pay me from there, and I can sell you guys and make you guys a free banner and profile picture. So this is my Fiverr. I'll leave the Fiverr link down in the description down below. I have 3 pictures here. So like I have one picture of a banner I made for my friend, another picture here for I made a banner inside my YouTube video. It won't let me put more than 3 pictures, so I only put 3 pictures here. This is like the main picture of it. And my Fiverr account is under Deteki, so you guys can go and check this out. I barely made this account about like almost like the beginning of June. So I wasn't really hoping into getting any customers yet. So I wanted to advertise my little business here. And this is my first time ever doing it. I've never tried to sell any of my artwork or try to sell any work. Usually when I do stuff, I do it for free. But I just wanted to try this out and see what I can go with this and try to get popularity out of this and maybe grow faster in my YouTube. The title will be I will create a YouTube gaming banner with a logo profile picture in 2019. So basically that's what everything in the package. So the package, what you get out of the package, which is only $5, you get your banner profile picture for your YouTube channel. I create a banner for you, a matching logo for your YouTube, and channel based on what your channel is about. So if your channel is about gaming, or if your channel is about Call of Duty, Minecraft, Fortnite, or anything like that, I'll create your banner into what it looks like. So it's a gaming banner, but basically it's not like a simplistic banner. If you guys want a simplistic banner, I'd make that for you guys. If you guys can go ahead and email me or Discord. There's gonna be 2 revisions. So revisions, when I look, you can look over it 2 times. So if you don't like it the first time, I go ahead and fix it up, and I send it back to you. Please don't buy this from me if you guys are not sure if you guys are gonna be iffy with it. If you're not, guys may not like it for the 3rd time. So make sure you guys think about it. So supposedly it says 2 days delivery. You can put the amount of days of delivery you guys can sell your stuff for or send it out. I might be changing it to 1 day. I'm not sure, but if I get my first order and if I make it fast, I'll maybe be thinking about changing it to 1 day delivery, or maybe an hour delivery maybe. Right here you can see my average response time. It says 3 days. I first made this account and I got a buyer, but he didn't buy anything because you can text the seller before you even buy anything. And I barely got the app on my phone because I'm not really good with emails, so I have to use the actual app. So I got a response from 3 days ago after that, and I felt sorry for the dude, but he never responded after, so I got a low rate of response time. So about this gig, so here's a little part right here on the bottom. I will create a gaming YouTube banner from any content related to the videos you make on your channel. I can make anything related towards your channel or something you want to be made personally. Your order comes with a banner of the 2560 by 1440 size, profile logo by 800 by 800 pixel. If you need something done how you like, make sure you be specific. So the first thing, you guys don't buy my sell first. You basically just text me, and if you guys are happy with the order, you guys can text me first, and then you guys can buy the order. I don't know what it looks like when you guys buy something, so it's my first time ever using Fiverr. The order details also says here, and you press continue, press $5. So I don't know much about this website. I know a lot of people use this website to sell things, and this is the only quickest thing I can do it from. So I don't know much about the FAQ. I just put my own FAQ menu. So do you have to ask for a banner for gaming related? And I said no, it does not. It's all up to the buyer and how they want their banner to be made. So if you guys are not sure, oh, I don't want a gaming banner, yeah, basically that's true. I just put gaming banner because that's the only thing that's more popular, and I try to get a little a promotion to make more people to recognize my gig here. The reason why my sell is different than any of the other like Fiverr sells is because my sell is only $5. You get a banner and a profile picture. But when you see other people like selling banners and profile pictures, they're like $15 or $30. But theirs are a little bit more different than mine because theirs are more like professional and they put time into it. They have a longer delivery hour and they only give you one revision and stuff. But mine's a little bit faster. I make my banners a little bit faster. But when it comes to like when someone wants something specific, I have to make it a little bit longer. But mine are more easy and simple to look at, and you guys can come and buy me. This is the cheapest amount I can sell it at. There's nowhere like below 5, so I can't sell it under 5. It won't let me. Obviously, if you guys don't want to buy a banner or profile picture for me, you can obviously make one off my channel. I apply tutorials, but if you guys are not really good with tutorial videos and you don't have Photoshop and you guys are not feeling safe with it, you guys can come here to my Fiverr page. Link down in the description down below, by the way, and you guys can go ahead and text me on Fiverr and work things out and see what you guys want to be made or what to be made, and go ahead and place your $5 and get your guys' profile picture and banner for you guys' YouTube channel. So this is my first time ever doing Fiverr. A lot of people are very familiar with Fiverr. I'm not. I just did it for the first time, and I want to try new things out and see if this can help my channel grow, and see if you guys, I'm supporting you guys and you guys are supporting me. You guys are supporting me with the money so I can conclude it to my YouTube, and you guys can, I'm supporting you guys so you guys can have a nice banner for you guys' YouTube channel. So yeah, so if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments throughout the video, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll respond. And yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And this has been your boy Devin or Deteki, and I'm out. Peace out, guys.